Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover SVR in Velocity. This is a 5 litre V8 and has previously had only one owner. You have a black contrasting roof along with privacy glass, a powered tailgate, and you also have the SVR badge on the back. 22-inch gloss black alloys and red brake calipers. Going inside the vehicle, you have Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely two-tone leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. A 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav, and you also have a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And you do also have a Meridian sound system. This car also has the carbon fibre trim finisher. And you do also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. This car has done 29,129 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the stunning SVR. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.